My name is Sally Seligman. For over 35 years, I have made custom clothing professionally for women. I have made every style imaginable. And for the past 13 years, I have taught in 2 universities, teaching construction skills, pattern making, draping, couture, tailoring, swimwear, and children's wear. My goal now is to share this beautiful art form with anyone that wants to learn and practice dressmaking at an affordable price. Whether you want to sew professionally or for pleasure, this site is designed to teach you how to do it well and beautifully. I taught myself basic sewing and fitting skills, and naturally I started with using commercial patterns. Soon I realized the frustration of using these patterns because they rarely fit. When I began to sew for others, I found that although I chose a pattern size based upon the client's measurements, the garment shaping was often entirely unsuitable and unflattering. Like ready-to-wear, commercial patterns are based upon statistical population averages, and very few people fit well into either. In addition, my clients often wanted special designs that didn't exist in any commercial pattern book, designs that made the most of their physical attributes, reflected their taste, and suited their lifestyles. So I learned to make professional custom patterns. Professional dressmakers, like couturiers, make their patterns from custom slopers or master blocks. Patterns drafted from these slopers eliminate the frustration and excess work of commercial patterns. They have allowed me to create any garment a client desires with efficiency and precision, avoiding the limitation of commercial patterns. Most of the classes that you find online are just that. One class that teaches one technique, not passing on the fine couture skills of a dressmaker. Dressmaker Studio is a complete dressmaking education presented in a systematic way as it would be in a traditional apprenticeship. I demonstrate 3 methods to develop a torso sloper, and from the sloper to design a simple shell top, which you will learn to pattern, cut, and fit to couture standards. From there, you will create a neckline and collar, add extensions for buttons and buttonholes, and draft custom sleeves. You will make both straight and A-line skirts in cotton and wool. We'll take a skirt sloper and develop 3 styles of a skirt with a variety of closures and waistbands. You'll see a variety of fit models with different shapes and sizes and learn how best to design for each. Thank you for your support.